Jude, how did you cook the beans the other time? So cousins, I'm showing you the video, and this is the video how I cooked beans the other time, which you all liked and said, oh Jude, these beans deserve a high five. So cousins, in this journey we live in as a new housemaid, because I'm one, so I'm a old housemaid, and if you're new housemaid, I'm here to remind you that when you learn cooking, your life is gonna be better. You can't starve. This is something you need to learn as a housemaid. So cousin, you saw how I did it from the beginning, so this is the video how I cooked those beans you liked so much. So in this journey we need to believe in ourselves. There is nothing another person does that you can't do. You can do anything. You are capable, you are worth, you are beautiful. You need to believe in yourself. You are handsome. Everybody, if you find anybody out there making you doubt your worth, hate that person. Don't bring that person into your life, because that person is a disaster. Omuntu yenna akuleetera okuwulira nga self-worth yo ekugwako. Don't talk to that person anymore. Let them be. This life is too precious to spend it while being scared about what people say about you, what people think about you, what people possess about you. Oh, cousins, no way. Cousins, thank you for being onto my channel. It means a lot. I appreciate. Please, cousins, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, comment. I have so much content I've made, and definitely when I put it out there, you're going to love it, cousins. But just know, I want this video to reach the right person. Cousins, please like the video, share the video. At least it reaches the right cousin I want to see, and they know how to cook beans. So cousins, I appreciate all your support. There are those genuine people who come to my videos. I appreciate. Remember, you are worth. Yes, and I acknowledge that. To every returning subscriber who comes back to my videos, you deserve a hug. Just know I genuinely appreciate, cousins. I'm going to put in more efforts in making videos, because I know we can make it all. Yes, when you come to my channel, I'll definitely come to your channel. It is something we need to do for ourselves as small channels, so that we can make it out. Ah, salam. جيب أنا حتى جيب. طيب ما في مشكلة. Cousins, we can all grow together, okay? Please, thank you for watching my channel. Yes, peace. As a housemaid, I didn't imagine my life making honey, but guess what, cousins? I made it. I definitely made it. Cousins, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Subscribe to my channel. It means a lot for this channel so that it can grow. There is someone out there who needs to watch this. Cousins, like, comment, share, subscribe. So how did I make this honey? So cousins, what I did, I got a sack of sugar, a whole sack. So I put it in there saucepan, that big saucepan. Then I added water. The water was also much, not small. After that, I put it on gas. When I put it on gas, I left it there so I could just come stir it, then I leave it on the gas. So that is how the process went. I left it on gas until I saw the sugar had turned this into here. So that's how I did it. And when it turned thoroughly, then I got some lemon. I put it inside, because lemon is a preservative. So cousins, in my normal language, this is how I made it. This is how I made omubisi in sugar. So nakuta sukari ne muyiwa musepicha kasawo kalamba, then nenkwata amazzi nengayiwa musepicha yenene nga mangi. So nengateka ku gas, sepichi nengiseka ku gas, nembera nga mbitabula buli dakiika, ya like nga mbitabula naye nga gas kwali omuliro, nga mbitabula omuliro si guli gwennyini ogwa boom boom boom, omuliro guli nomo, nga mbitabula. With the process bigenda bikyuka byokka. At the end of the time ogenda kulaba nga bifuuse kala. Ebimala ofuuka kala, nfuna preservative nakozesa lemon, kubanga lemon ekuuma ekintu obutayonooneka. Thank you for watching, cousins. Just remember, this is the channel to be. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, cousins. I love you. I'll send you a hug. My new housemate, just stick on my channel because I have more to give you. This is just the beginning of that channel. Just know, cousins, there is more to come. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.